Welcome to Beast Stride DIY. I'm at Home Depot right now for their Memorial Day sale, and I'll show you some of their deals going on right now. Milwaukee has for $19 their 25-foot magnetic measuring tape or their two-piece comfort grip plier set. Now they don't have these ones locked up, which is nice. This is a Milwaukee 25-foot measuring tape here, double-sided with a 15-foot magnetic reach here. And this is the two-piece pliers with comfort grip. And then next up, we've got the Milwaukee wall here. And look at this deal here. You can get this free starter kit when you buy two of these tools. So in the starter kit is the battery and charger here. It's a $249 value. So it's saying you get this free when you buy two select bare tools. So you can kind of see the tools here. You get the band saw, circular saw, wet dry vac, and then these are the super savings here. 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench for $379, $349 you get the two tool combo kit, and then the red lithium battery pack for $99. And you get a free battery when you buy one of these tools. The band file for $269, speed ratchet for $199, radio and charger for $149 or $139, the wet dry vac. And that battery is going to be a $79 value, and that's the red lithium battery. Now for $199, it was $229. You get the two tool combo kit, the installation drill driver kit for $179, or for $159, $20 off the hex hydraulic driver kit. Now Ryobi has some deals as well in this Memorial Day sale. They kind of put them on the tags here, so it's hard to read, but this is the 1/2 inch drill driver kit for $79. Then they just go down the line with the different sizes, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch for $79. And then you get the two tool combo kit for $99. And then for $149, I think you get the driver plus the circular saw. I was trying to pull it back here to see everything, but you get the two batteries as well. And you get the 4 tool combo kit for $159. That's $40 off. And then you get the 6 tool combo kit for $199, and that's $100 off. So that's pretty good. And you get all these tools. Looks like the light circular saw, reciprocating saw, multi cutoff tool there. And then these are some of the examples of the tools they had. You can check them out before you buy. Now rigid, this one was locked up. It's the 4 amp hour 2 set of batteries for $169, or for $179 you can get the 8 amp hour battery. And this is the add piece here with the Ryobi one for $59. The drill driver kit, you get battery and charger and the drill driver. For $59, this is the oscillating fan. Now this is the tool only, just keep that in mind with the 3 different speeds. Now Makita has this deal here. This is the drill driver and impact driver kit for $189. You get the battery, charger, and the bag as well for this. And that's Makita again. There's another look at the tools. And this is another add item. They put it right over the tool here. It's a 6.5 inch circular saw for $189. Now this is the tool only. Keep that in mind as well. That's always something to check out for when you're looking at the tool. This is from Rigid. This is an on-add item for an 18-volt 3-inch multi-material saw. And that's what that looks like for $129. And that is going to be the tool only for this deal. And then right fairly next to it here is their 18-volt one-handed reciprocating saw for $129. And this is what that looks like, and that's tool only as well. And these are some of their ad deals as well that are the combo kits. The drill driver kit for $119, and then you get the impact driver kit for $169. So you're going to be saving $30 and then a little bit more on the other one there. This is the 1/2 inch hammer drill driver kit for $119, and then you get the other hammer drill kit for $219 down from $249. Milwaukee's in on these as well for $189. You can get these drill impact 2 tool kit down from $239. That's what that looks like here, and you're going to be getting, I'll show you here on the side. The kit includes the drill driver, impact driver, 2 batteries, charger, and the bag. And these are what the 2 tools look like here. Next up, we've got this deal where you, for $549, you get their rotary hammer, but you also get one of these free tools here, $199 and $189 value. And then you get the rotary hammer kit. You can get the small angle grinder slide for $79. And DeWalt's in on these deals as well. we have these deals. This is the Power Stack XR brand of tools here. This is their 4.5-inch circular saw at $129. It was $169 here. And it's just showing the specs here of this one. And I'll show you the tool in a second. For $129, this is the reciprocating saw. Now these are tool only deals, so just keep that in mind. So you will need the battery if you already have one, or you'll need to pick that up. $199 down from $269. This is their circular saw here. 60-volt circular saw, and this is what it looks like here. Really like the look of this one. It just feels nice in your hand as well. For $199, down from $269, is this small angle grinder tool here. Now this is the compact heat gun for $99. They had this one underneath the shelf here, so that's what that looks like. Now this is the 20-volt max hammer drill driver kit for $129, and you get the bag and the battery as well. It was $189 on this one. Now Ryobi, they had some deals as well, but these are on their power washers. For $199, you get a 2000 PSI 1.2 GPM power washer. Includes everything you'll need here with the 3-year warranty, including the nozzles and sprayer. Right next to it, they had the $299 2900 PSI gas pressure washer. Now this one comes with everything you need as well, and including the oil. Now Milwaukee, for $199, you can get this trimmer. It's an 18-volt trimmer. I think it was $229 there, and this is what it looks like. Now keep in mind, this is the tool only. If you do want the battery and charger, you'll have to get this one. This one's $249, and you're going to save $50 with this one. So this is what it comes with here in the picture. Everything you need with the battery, charger, and tool, of course. And that's what that looks like. And they've locked these ones up as well here. And that's just showing you what the kit includes. The string attachment. This is the blower kit for $299. It was $349. Includes everything you need, battery and charger. And they've got these ones security tagged as well. I think they're security tagging everything. For $329 was $399. This is their 20-inch push lawnmower, 40-volt HP brushless. Has pretty good ratings, 4.6. Includes the battery and charger on this one. And they're saying this is the Home Depot exclusive on this one. It's $299. And I think this is their 16-inch lawnmower kit. So this is brushless, and it includes everything you need there. For $189, they've got this 10-inch chainsaw kit. And then they've still got these $89 you choose, the Ryobi blowers or the trimmers here. I didn't see any blowers, so I don't know if they moved them or they were just that popular. This is that Ryobi 20-inch 40-volt mower here. So this is what it looks like out of the box. They just put a little pink tag on it saying it's part of this Memorial Day Home Depot deal. And now into grills for $299. This is a 4-burner propane gas grill with the side burner for next grill. This is what it looks like inside. Nice and new, which is always nice. Has the instructions there. And this is the side burner here, in case you're cooking something on the side. Now this is the 6-burner. And I believe this is for $499, and this is what it looks like in here, and it has the little roasting rod here in the middle, so that's really nice. It has a temperature gauge in the middle. Then it has another cooking section here with the interesting lines on that grill there. And next up we have this $389 Pro Series 22 pellet grill from Traeger. Has the chimney there, and then you open this up. Kind of has that standard look, has the wheels so you can move it where you need to, has the digital temperature gauge here, and then a little box on the side where you would put your wood pellets, and it just has a little warning there. And this is what the Ryobi 1, this is a lopper here for $149. It's an 18-volt lopper. Now this is the tool only, but they had it like stapled up underneath a shelf. It was $179. Now this is their 21-inch mower for $499. As I think it was a $579. Yeah, $579. Has 2 batteries. Comes with the charger, and up to 70 minutes of cut time. That's really nice. Usually it's just 40 to 40 to 60 is the max I've seen. Now for $4.99, this is this outdoor set. It's a Glenridge Falls 7-piece metal rectangle outdoor dining set in putty. So you're saving $250. Putty is the color. At first I wasn't sure what that meant. But these are the chairs here. They seem pretty sturdy and you can kind of rock to a point in them. They don't feel like you'd fall over. Now it was a really nice day today, so I was glad to be outside and check out their mulch here. So look, their mulch is 5 for $10. Their mulch is like $2. Now this is a Scott's brand here. This is Earthgrow. They have it in the 3 different colors brown mulch. Color Advantage. This is 1.5 cubic feet. And it says it has the 12-month color advantage, so it's going to retain its color for 12 months at least. And they have the black. I'll walk over here and show that to you. So this is a good deal if you need to make a new garden or get some mulch. So this is what the black looks like. And then the red is on this other side here. I'll show you that. I'll show you the color of this one here. So kind of a nice bright red. And I do make videos about other places as well. This one is about Harbor Freight here, and they have super coupons that are good through the end of the month. Now go ahead and check these out, and they have 10 days of savings as well. So just check out this video, and it should be helpful to find some coupons and good deals.